Ready to make your animations shine with captivating spin effects? Let's jump into Adobe Animate and learn how to craft spinning objects. We'll start with a new Animate file, setting the stage dimensions as needed. Next, let's grab the Shape tool and draw an object. It could be a circle, a star, anything you like. This will be the star of our spinning show. Now, select the object with the Selection tool in the Properties panel. Make it a graphic symbol. Double-click in the timeline to change the layer name to Spinning Object. Let's build the spin. In your timeline, at frame 1, your object is still. Click Insert Frame to add a new frame where you want the effect to end. Let's put it at frame 24. Time for the rotation. Select the end frame and use the Rotation tool or Properties panel. Adjust the angle to make it spin. Experiment to create motion. To connect our keyframes, right-click between them and choose Create Classic Tween. And there it is, your object is spinning. You can control the speed by changing the distance between keyframes. Create more intricate animations by adding more keyframes. And that's how to spin an object in Adobe Animate. Keep creating and subscribe for more animation tips.